former Cincinnati Children's Hospital chaplain will remain in the Butler County Jail, at least for now.
Today, Ayman Soliman, an inmate and Egyptian immigrant, appeared virtually for his initial appearance in Cleveland Immigration Court. His bond hearing has also been moved up today. Local 12's Chris Arnold is here with what has been decided. Chris.
Well, yeah, Paula, Soliman wasn't granted bond today by a Cleveland immigration judge who is allowing additional filings in this case to be made through Friday. Now, his attorney, Rob Ratliff, told me the government argued the immigration judge doesn't have jurisdiction to grant bond because of alleged terrorism links to Soliman, the same terrorism links that the government now says no longer apply.
Original notice to appear alleged as part of the charge of removability that he had engaged in the material support of terrorism.
Attorney Rob Ratliff appeared virtually with his client Ayman Soliman in Cleveland Immigration Court. He says the government filed an extensive 140-page brief about an hour before Tuesday's hearing with amended charges.
DHS did remove in those charges allegations of connection to material support for terrorism. They focused on removability on the fact that he has no pending relief as his asylum has been terminated, and that he is in the country without any legal status.
Soliman's status was terminated last month after an asylum officer determined Soliman did work for a charitable organization in Egypt that had ties to the Muslim Brotherhood. The Muslim Brotherhood is considered a terrorist group by the Egyptian government, but not by the U.S.
The fact that the government would raise this type of allegation against him is just ludicrous.
Muslim Legal Fund attorney Franchel Daniel says the government continues to make unfounded allegations with no evidence.
It has been a massive game of 6 degrees of separation.
Ratliff says the government has ignored decisions made in Egypt that said the group Soliman worked with wasn't connected to the Muslim Brotherhood. As this case continues, he says it has far-reaching implications.
DHS is now arguing that an immigration judge doesn't have the authority to review that detention. And DHS is ultimately probably going to object to him being granted asylum for those same reasons. So this is something that is bigger than one man and one group.
Well, Soliman's close friend Ahmed Al-Qaedi says he spoke with him after the demonstration that turned violent last week on the Roebling Bridge.
He wishes for everyone to be safe and causes no harm. And he asked us today, make sure if there is anything to be done, it is going to be visual, peaceful, no protests.
Well, Soliman has been in the Butler County Jail for almost 2 weeks now after being detained during a check-in with ICE. Paula?
All right, Chris, and Soliman's next hearing is Thursday at U.S. District Court in Cincinnati. That's where his lawyer will try to continue an injunction granted last week that would keep Soliman in the Butler County Jail and not be moved elsewhere. His next appearance in immigration court is July 29th.